In this video, we will demonstrate the index was outside the bounds of the array error in C# and show how to fix it. To begin, I have the default C# console application with some additional code added to demonstrate the error. The first block of code creates an array of 5 integers and then populates each integer in the array with a random number. The next line creates a new variable and sets it to a value from within the bounds of the array using index 3. The final line creates a new variable and sets it to a value from outside the bounds of the array using the index 100. Let's demonstrate the error when you run the application with debugging. The application stops with an unhandled exception on line 16, indicating the index is outside of the bounds of the array. The reason this cannot continue is because the array in this program only has 5 numbers in the sequence. If you want to access the 100th item in the array, it simply doesn't exist and therefore cannot be returned. That is why it is crucial your code only tries to access an index that exists. There are 2 ways to go about doing this. First, you could do a check against the index, ensuring that it is less than the length of the array. That way, if the index is too high, we skip that code so it doesn't attempt to execute. Alternatively, you could just access only the index values that are valid in this case, since we are hard coding them, and know that there are 5 values and the highest index we can access is 4. Thanks for watching.